Today I am planning to explain these verbs, to be formed verbs. Am, are, is, was, were. First one, I dash by the riverside. I dash by the riverside. Which verb should we use here? We should use am, because when the subject or noun is singular and tense which indicates present tense, a present moment, this action is happening now. So we should use am. I am by the river now. I am by the at the moment this person is at riverside. I am by the river now. And second one, I dash at home yesterday. So this action is finished. So here we should use was. I was at home yesterday. This person was at home yesterday, so we choose to use was because this action finished in the past. Yesterday finished, so we should choose was. I was at home yesterday. Third one, we dash at the beach now. So this people, plural form, which is plural form, more than one person, we use we. We are at the beach now. At the moment, these people are at the beach now. So we should use are. We are, plural form, we use are, and when the subject is singular, we use is. And past action we use was. We were at the beach now. We are at the beach now. These people are at the beach now. Are. This tense is now, present moment, they are at the beach now. This action not finished. This action is not in the past. If it is in the past action, that time we should use were. So we were at the beach yesterday. So here this there. Now yesterday will replace here. So now we are at the beach now. It means they are at the beach now. These people are at the beach now. At the moment they are at beach. This action is going on at the present moment. They are at the beach. Fourth one, they dash in the mountains last night. So this action finished in the past action, that time we use were. So because this subject is plural form, when the first noun subject is plural, that time we should use were. More than one person we use were, and here this action is completed last night, so we should use were. They were in the mountains last night. They were. Even though this tense is present, we have to use, because the subject is plural, so we should use were. They were. If the person is singular, that time we use was. They were in the mountains last night. They were in the mountains last night. These people were in the mountains. Yesterday night they were in the mountains. Today they were not in the mountains. She dash on the island now. She is on the island now. Is. She singular, subject is singular. We use is. She is on the island now. At the moment she is on the island. She dash at school yesterday. So this action is finished action. So we choose to use was. She was, because she is singular. So this action is completed in the past. We choose was. She was at school yesterday. She was at school yesterday. My mom and I are at home now. My mom and I are. So are more than one person here, mom and I. So they were at home. They are at home now. So they both together at home. So we use are. Are. My mom and I are at home now. So at present they are at home. Next one, my mom and I dash by the lake last night. So my mom and I were, because this action completed, this action finished action. So we should choose to use were. My mom and I were by the lake last night. So they were together at lake last night. Yesterday night they were at lakeside. So which is finished action, that's why we have chosen were. They were by the lakeside last night. Tom dashed by the river yesterday. Tom was by the river yesterday. Tom was at river. He was at the riverside yesterday. Tom was by the river yesterday. So yesterday means completed. So we should use was. Tom was. Finished action, we should use was. If the sentence is present moment, that time we use is. Tom is at the river. That is how we use. And next one, Tom and his father dash by the river now. Tom and his father are by the river now. Because Tom and his father, plural form, so we should choose are. So if the subject is singular, we have used is here. Here, since Tom and his father, which is in plural form, we should use are. Tom and his father are by the river now. They dash by the river last night too. They were by the river last night too. They were, this action completed, finished in the past. So they, plural form, so we should use were, because this action completed last night. So they were by the river last night too. So they were at river. Even they were also at river. So if it is here, this is present. Now, present moment we have used are, but here this action completed. That's why we have. That's why we should use were. They were by the river last night too. Next one, dash you at home now. Questioning. So to question someone, that time we use are. At the moment, we want to check whether that person is at home or he has gone somewhere. To get to know where that person is at home or outside, we ask, are you at home now? Are you at home? Second person we use are. Second and plural we use are. And present, this sentence is in present, so we choose to use are. Are you at home now? Next one, a dash they at home now. Dash they at home now. Are they at home now? Are, because this is also present at the moment where they are staying. Are they at home or have they gone somewhere? To get to know, we ask, are they at home or have they gone somewhere? So we wanted to know, we want to check whether these people are at home or whether they have gone outside for some reasons. So since the question is in present, we should choose to use are. Are they at home now? Next one, dash they at school last night. Here it has changed. Last night means yesterday night, finished action. So finished action, we should ask, were they at school last night? Were they at school last night? So since the action has completed, we should use were. So to get to know whether these people were at school yesterday night, because it has completed in the past action. Now they were not at school. They are at somewhere now. So this action completed in the past and past moment, past action. So we choose to use were. Were they at school last night? Where they were last night? Whether they were at home or whether they were at school. Where they were yesterday night. And next one, dash he at home now. Dash he. So this person is singular, subject is singular. To question we use, before subject we use is. Is he at home now? So subject, since the subject is in singular, we choose to use is. Is he at home now? It means he is at home or where he is now. Where he is now. Whether he is at home or has he gone somewhere. So to get to know where this person is, he is at home or is he at school. So we wanted to know, to question someone whether he is at home or what. Next one, dash he at school yesterday. Dash he at school yesterday was, because yesterday finished. So we should use was. Was he at school yesterday? Yesterday, whether this boy was at school or whether he had gone one of his friends home. To get to know, to ask, to question where this boy yesterday, where this boy was. So was he at school or where did he go yesterday? So to get to know, we ask question, where was he at school yesterday? Was he at school? And next one, dash you at school yesterday too. Yesterday, dash you at school yesterday too. Here we should use were. Since the action has completed in the past, we should use were. Were you at school yesterday too? So we ask whether this person also along with someone was at school yesterday. That's why they are questioning here too. You at school yesterday too. So this boy also was also along with someone else. Were you at school yesterday too? Were. Because this action finished in the past. Yesterday it's completed. This action finished. It was completed yesterday. So we should choose to use was. Were you at. And next one, dash Tom on the island last night. Dash Tom on the island last night. Was Tom on the island last night. Tom is singular, subject is singular. So and this action finished in the past. So we should choose was. Was Tom on the island last night. Where was Tom? Where Tom was yesterday night. Where did he? There yesterday night. Where he had? Where he went last night. So Tom was on the island. Tom was on the island last night. He went to island on last night. He went on island last night. Tom was on the island last night. Where did he go? Tom went to the island yesterday night. He was at island last night. Was Tom on the island last night? Yes, he was on the island last night. I hope you understand how to use is, am, are, were. When the subject is singular and present action, that time we use is. And when the subject is plural noun, plural subject or nouns, that time we use are, were, and past actions we use were, was. Thank you. I hope you understand this. Thank you. Bye for now.